Hey y'all, Carol Norby here. You're at my Stampin' Carol Lots of Crafty Goodness page on Facebook, or you're on my YouTube channel. I was looking back through some stuff yesterday, and I thought, you know, I haven't made a waterfall card in ages. I had taught it many years ago at Green Valley Recreation, and it was a big hit. And I thought, I need to revisit this. So I'm going to show you my version today, and we'll see how it goes. So hang on for the ride. We're getting started. I'll flip the phone over. Okay, this is going to be a Christmas card. And so what I started with, this is a 4 1/4 by 11 cardstock folded at the top, so it's not it's just a standard card. Then I took, this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 of the base, and then I did a 4 by 5 1/4 and layered it on here. This piece here is 1 inch by 4. You could also do 1 inch by 4 1/4 and go all the way through. Now it's not adhered down. You do not glue it down. Absolutely not. But you do use a couple of eyelets, or if you have a really good adhesive, just put it on the ends and then decorate the front. So that is that piece. I'm going to set it aside. This piece here is 2 inches by 9. Now don't round this corner until you're ready, but I put this on my score and trim, and I'll show that to you. Whoops, about dropped my paper trimmer in the garbage. So I have a score and trim, and I laid it on here after I cut it, and I scored at, this is, I'm thinking 4 1/4, 3 1/2, 2 3/4, and 2. And then I folded it. So the end that is not scored, I rounded. You can do whatever you want to this end, but don't shorten it. And then I put a piece of tape on the folded inside up here, and there's a reason for that. So now I'll get started. You're going to slide this piece under here. I got to stand up to do this right. So you see that tape? There's a reason for it. So this, I'm going to fold it at the last. You're basically going to take that tape off and center this and adhere it right at the very edge of this. Can you see? Going to adhere it right there. So I'm going to take this off, remove that liner, get it centered where I want it. Okay, very careful. Going to adhere it right there. Okay, that's what you do. Now we have to add the tape to these pieces, and there is a place where you do that. I'm going to look at my directions because it has been a long time. So this is going to go like this. So I need to add tape across the top here, 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 and here, and here. So I will do that so you can see what we're doing. So the top here, just the top. I hope you're having a good day today. I have been kind of busy this morning. I've done laundry. I've started the dishwasher. I've been working on some other projects. Spellbinders has me making them some cards for a special or some projects. Can you see what I'm doing? I would enlarge this, but then I'm afraid I would have some problems. Okay, there, and then back down here. Okay, so I got those. I'll set that aside for the moment. I cut 4 2-inch by 2-inch pieces. Then I cut 4 1 3/4-inch square pieces. These are what my these are going to adhere onto there. So there is a trick. I'm not going to finish decorating them yet, but I will show you. So you see how that all is done. Make sure you get them down good. I'm going to burnish them. Where's my trim folder? So I'm going to burnish them. I want them on there good. Okay. So take this one. I'm going to start at the bottom. It's easier. Take that piece off and that piece off. Ah, come on, thumbnails, work. Probably using my bloom tool would help a lot better. So I'm going to stick this on here. Now you can change up your colors. This is a paper, and this is a paper that I have from this cute little paper pack that I've got from somewhere. It's by Polka Doodles, Gnome for Christmas. It's got small prints, as you can see. Okay, so get this one on here good and straight. I'm going to pull it down a little further so I can see through my without having to look through the camera. Okay, take this one off, and I'm going to adhere this right at the top like that. Take this piece off. Adhere that up there. Make sure it's all nice and straight. And take this piece off. We're getting close to done. Get that one. Okay, so then I stamped some images using Stampin'. This is called Holiday Gnomes. I got it through scrapbook.com. I just love these little characters. So I stamped some images that would fit. So, and my text. So like, I think as I go down, I will go bigger. So he will fit there. Now, I'm not going to pop these. Because when you mail it, you need to have it fold flat. So I'm just going to adhere these on here. Get that on here good. Okay, so this little guy's going to go here. So there's one. So I'm going to come down, and I'm going to put this little guy here. You just got to make sure that they don't go above or below your square. So that's something you got to consider. So I'll get him on here. Make sure I don't have any tape. Oh, I got to trim the top just a little more. Okay. So he's going to go right there. Going to come down a little more. This guy's going to go on here. Isn't this just cute? It's not hard. Now, I'm not going to have the directions posted anywhere else. You can find all kinds of ideas on Pinterest. Get that there. I don't want my glue, my adhesive, to be sticking up anywhere. To get that one right there. Okay. I'm going to put this one. Make sure it's fitting. I went through all my stamps trying to find something that would fit. These little squares. And then I'm going to put this one right here. This one, can you see? Come up close. This is a 3rd generation stamp. So I stamped it off twice before I stamped it on here, and then lightly colored it with pencil. And that'll go there. So I will have the completed card tomorrow on my website here on this. I'm going to stick this here. Okay. So now, how do you do this? You need to make this a pull tab. Now I'm going to get my crocodile back out. I have some, I'll dig them out here real quick. I have a container of eyelets. All kinds of eyelets. Isn't that cool? And I am going to use, I've had these forever and ever. Find a little red one. Has a little pull tab. And I'm going to put that, can you see it? On my pull tab. But you can use just about anything. If you can punch a hole and add thread, twine, ribbon, just about anything you want. And then this, I'm going to adhere this, I'll do it right now, to my card base. See, this is just really that easy. Really is. I've seen different versions of this, but I remember when I went to teach this, I'm going to stick one across, some across there because of, since this is such an interactive card, I'm going to adhere it. I got a little gunk there. You can see I need to trim my card base just a hint. Get that on there. Nice. Nice. And that will be your card. Isn't that cute? And then this will go down here. I will use my crocodile by We Are Memory Keepers and put that on. So that is just too cute. I will trim this little piece off here using my trimmer. But isn't that just fun? And so, so easy. So that is my card today. So I'm going to flip this back over and get you on here. So I hope you give it a try. Like I said, the pieces, I might write down some of the sizes that I used and where I scored on the waterfall part itself. But we'll get it going. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm not going to be here next week. My husband has a doctor appointment early in the morning. So we'll see what happens. So anyway, y'all have a great day. God bless you, and come back again and give this a try. See you later. Bye-bye.